Hi guys! Welcome back to my vlog. It's me, Christina. And for today's video, guys, is... Wait lang. Baba ko lang yung matcha ko. For today's video, for today's vlog, is maglinis tayo ng room ko kasi sobrang kalat niya na. Anyway, kasi tapos ito pang kwarto ko. Like, pakita ko sa inyo mamaya. Like, sobrang dami ng agyo. You know agyo, guys. Tapos, ang dami ding clothes ko na nakatambak sa floor. And it is currently 5 p.m. So, let's start cleaning.
Oh, hello, Papa.
Feeling brand new. Hope I'm not doing too much. Where you go, where you come from? Stick around.
See you, guys. Guys, look at this. Hindi kaya ako. This is my Love Yourself album ng BTS. Yung answer. I have PC.
Where you go, where you come from, baby? Make my words taste look like basics. Where you go, where you come from? Stick around, I can show you some. Where you go, where you come from, baby? Make my words taste. Stick around, I can show you some. Where you go, where you come from, baby? Make my words taste look like daisies. Look, I love her cars, but what's out observe is said I really wanna love you. I just wanna hug you.
Hi guys! Update. So, 7:16 p.m. na. And naglinis pa rin ako. So, tapos na ako mag-mop and nilipat ko ng pwesto tong drawer ko. And ang dami niyang alikabok. Super. Kasi ilang months din ata hindi to nalinis. Kasi kapag naglinis na ako ng kwarto, yung ano lang, punas-punas lang, ganon. And hindi ko to nasasama. Yan. So, yan, naka-face mask ako kasi sobrang daming alikabok. Like, super. Ayun. And, magpupunas pa ako ng mga stuff ko. So, yeah. Hi guys! So, time check. It is currently 8:09 p.m. and I'm currently cleaning pa rin. Yeah, so hindi ko pa nalalagay yung bed ko. Ayan. And ito na yung ayos nung ano. So, nilipat ko yung position nitong dalawa. So, dito na sila nakaharap. Ayan. And, pinunasan ko din yung bintana ko kasi alikabok na din siya. Ayun. And, naayos ko na din to. Ayan. So, pakita ko sa inyo lahat kapag natapos na ako. Kasi, hindi na ako makapag-vlog, guys, kasi I'm so tired na. So, yeah. So, magna-9 na. 8:35 p.m. na. Ayun. So, tapos na ako maglinis. Finally. So, kung nakita nyo, medyo malinis. Or, basta medyo organize yung mga gamit ko dito sa may parang, ang tawag dito? Hindi ko alam kung ang tawag. Ayun. Tapos, yeah. So, sana mapinturahan na itong kwarto ko. So, yun lang guys for today's video. I hope you like this video guys. And if you do, please give this video a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. So, yun lang guys. Bye! See you in my next vlog!